Hello student, JEE chapter 10, 32 sum. For non-zero non-collinear vectors a bar, b bar, c bar, a bar plus 2b bar and c bar are collinear, and b bar plus 3c bar and a bar are also collinear, then for any lambda belongs to R, means any constant, a bar plus 2b bar plus 6c bar is equal to dash. So here first of all, here a bar plus 2b bar and c bar are collinear. Therefore, a bar plus 2b bar is equal to mc bar, our first result. And same way for the second, and b bar plus 3c bar and a bar are collinear. Therefore, b bar plus 3c bar is equal to n a bar. Now from here, we put the value of a is equal to mc bar minus 2b bar. So b bar plus 3c bar and mc bar minus a bar. 2b bar. And therefore, taking the terms with b1 with together and with c together, so b bar minus 2 and b bar is equal to m and c bar minus 3c bar. It means b bar bracket 1 minus 2n equal to c bar bracket mn minus 3, right? Okay, now here b bar and c bar are non-zero, but 1 minus 2n and mn minus 3 are 0, because b bar and c bar are non-collinear. 1 minus 2n equal to 0 and mn minus 3 is equal to 0, because of b bar and c bar are non-collinear. Right? So n equal to 1 by 2 and m is minus 3 by n. It is m is minus just a minute, here minus 3c, and therefore we can say that okay, this is 6. This is 6. Okay. Here there is one little change, that 2b bar we are taking one side and these two are plus. Therefore n equal to minus 1 by 2 and m is minus 6. Therefore m is minus 6, so directly we put here. Therefore a bar plus 2b bar equal to minus 6c bar from 1. And we can say that a bar plus 2b bar plus 6c bar is equal to 0 bar. Therefore the answer of this is 0 bar. Right? So this way we can obtain the answer of the given question. Now we go for the next one. Next, 33. In this sum, if a bar, b bar and c bar are non-coplanar vectors for which lambda belongs to R, a bar plus 2b bar plus 3c bar, comma, lambda b bar plus 4c bar and 2 lambda minus 1 c bar are non-coplanar. Okay, so here a bar, b bar, c bar are non-coplanar. Therefore, box product of a bar, b bar and c bar is not equal to 0. Now we want to obtain that box product of a bar plus 2b bar plus 3c bar, lambda b bar plus 4c bar and 2 lambda minus 1 c bar is not equal to 0, for which we take a bar plus 2b bar plus 3c bar dot lambda b bar plus 4c bar cross 2 lambda minus 1 c bar is not equal to 0, right? Now we just simplify of this. So here now a bar plus 2b bar plus 3c bar dot, this is second result, dot this lambda into 2 lambda minus 1 b bar cross c bar, b bar cross c bar plus 4c bar cross 2 lambda minus 1 c bar. But this becomes 0, right? So we have only a bar plus 2b bar plus 3c bar dot lambda 2 lambda minus 1 b bar cross c bar is equal to, now when we simplify this term, then we have lambda 2 lambda minus 1 a bar dot b bar cross c bar plus 2 lambda 2 lambda minus 1 b bar dot b bar cross c bar plus 3 lambda 2 lambda minus 1 c bar dot c bar cross b bar. But now you see that these two terms are 0 because of c, c, b and b. So two rows are equal, therefore these two terms are 0. So we have only and only lambda 2 lambda minus 1 and a bar dot b bar cross c bar. It is lambda 2 lambda minus 1 box a bar b bar c bar. But according to result 1, this is not equal to 0 and lambda is not equal to 0 and 2 lambda minus 1 is not equal to 0. It means lambda is not equal to 1 by 2 for lambda is not equal to 0 and 1 by 2 given vectors are non-coplanar. Non-coplanar. Therefore, we can say that our answer is lambda is not 0 and not 1 by 2. Then these three vectors are non-coplanar vectors. Okay? Then we go for the next one. Next 34th sum. For vectors u bar, v bar and w bar, mode u bar is 1, mode v bar is 2, mode w bar is 3. If the magnitude of the projection of v bar on u bar and w bar on u bar are equal, then u bar is perpendicular to w bar, then mode u bar minus v bar plus w bar is equal to dash. This is 2004 GEE equation. So here, first of all, here magnitude of u bar on v bar on u bar is v dot u upon mode u is equal to w dot u upon mode u. Therefore, we can simply say that v bar dot u bar is equal to w bar dot u bar. This is our first result. Now second is u bar is perpendicular to w bar. U bar is perpendicular to w bar. Therefore, u bar dot w bar is 0. This is our second result. Now we want to find the value of this term. Therefore, now u bar minus v bar plus w bar square is equal to mode u bar square, mode w bar square, mode v bar square minus 2u dot v minus 2v dot w plus 2u dot w is equal to, this is 1 plus 4 plus 9 minus u dot v. U dot v is w dot u. Therefore, these two are equal. So minus 2u dot v minus this becomes 0. 0 plus 2u dot v from 1 and 2. So therefore these two are also removed, or this is also v. So these two are cancelled, and 1 plus 4 plus 9 is 14. So therefore mod u bar minus v bar plus w bar is equal to root 14. So this answer is root 14. Okay, this is quite different sum, because here magnitude of projection of some vector are also useful. So we use this very carefully, and then we go for the next one. So here if you know the projection, then you can easily give the answer, otherwise you have quite difficulties. Okay, then we go for the next one. 35. Suppose A bar, B bar and C bar are non-zero vectors. A cross B cross C is equal to 1 by 3 mod B mod C mod A, and angle between B bar and C bar is theta. Then what is the value of sin theta? So here first of all, here A bar cross B bar cross C bar is equal to 1 by 3 mod B bar mod C bar and mod A bar. Therefore here we applying the formula of this A dot C into B minus A dot B into C is equal to 1 by 3 mod B mod C mod A. Right? Now when we simplify, then we have here one little change in the statement. This is not mod A bar but only A bar vector. Modulus is not given, so I just correct this, and here we applying the formula is quite different, because of here A bar we want to obtain this A bar, therefore we just reverse this formula, and therefore we get A dot C into B bar equal to 1 by 3 mod B mod C into A bar plus B dot C mod A bar, only A bar. Therefore A dot C into B bar is equal to 1 by 3 mod B mod C plus B dot C into A bar. Now A bar and B bar are non-collinear vectors. A bar and B bar are non-collinear vectors. Therefore they are not become 0, but this A dot C is 0 and 1 by 3 mod B mod C plus B dot C is equal to 0. Therefore according to this one, we find mod B dot C upon mod B mod C is equal to minus 1 by 3, which is cos theta. So when cos theta is minus 1 by 3, therefore sin theta is equal to under root 1 plus 1 by 9. 1 minus 1 by 9. It is root 8 by 9, or it is 2 root 2 by 3. So this way we can obtain this answer. Here one thing is remembered, that here A bar is only separately given. Therefore we take this A cross B cross C's formula is A dot C into B bar minus B dot C into A bar, because of we want to take the pair of this A bar vector. Therefore we can change this formula for this A bar, right? So be careful for this type of sum, because this type of sums are very useful and very means quite difficult to understand. Okay, now we go for the next one. Next, 36. If C is the midpoint of AB and P is not on AB, then what is the true? This is 2005 question. So be careful for this type of question. Here I write also the option, because from this option we want to select our right option. So first of all, we just assume that here P is P bar, A bar, B is minus A bar, and C is 0, right, or 0 bar. Okay, so here we take the position vector of the given all the terms. Now here PA is equal to A bar minus P bar. PB is equal to minus A bar minus P bar. And PC is equal to minus P bar. Right? So this type of results are obtained. Now if we take PA plus PB, now PA plus PB is equal to PA is A bar minus P bar minus A bar minus P bar. So it is, these two are cancelled, minus 2P bar is obtained and minus P bar is PC. Therefore we can say that PA plus PB is equal to minus 2 PC vector, and therefore PA plus PB plus 2 PC is equal to 0 bar. One thing you remember, we choose all the element in this way that here C is in middle, A is somewhere here, B is somewhere here, because C is the midpoint of AB line segment, and P is somewhere here, P bar, right? Then we use these rules and we can easily find the answer. Okay, so be careful for this type of sum, because here if you select the proper elements, then you can easily find the answer. Otherwise you have some mistake, right? So be careful for this type of sum. Then we go for the next one. Next sum, 37. For any vector A bar, mod A bar cross I bar square plus mod A bar cross J bar square plus mod A bar cross K bar square is equal to dash. This is 2005 JEE question. So here first of all we take A bar is equal to PQR, right, and A bar cross I bar is equal to PQR cross 1 0 0. Okay, here we take PQR. So first vector is 0 and second is minus R, only R, and third is minus Q. Therefore mod A bar cross I bar square is equal to R bar plus R square plus Q square, right? R square plus Q square. Okay, then similarly for A bar cross J bar square is equal to we just remove the element of J, means Q is removed, P square plus R square, and A bar cross K bar is equal to P square plus Q square. Therefore mod A cross I square plus mod A cross J square plus mod A cross K square is equal to R square plus Q square plus P square plus R square plus P square plus Q square. It is 2 P square plus Q square plus R square, or it is 2 mod A square, right? So our answer is 2 mod A square, right? This is quite simple sum, so we cannot explain anything about the given sum because it is very easy sum, right? If you know IJK's cross product with A, then it is very easy to you. Otherwise, quite different. Okay, then we go for the next one. Okay, next sum. If A, B, C are different positive real numbers and non-negative real numbers, and AI plus AJ plus CK, comma, I plus K, comma, CI plus CJ plus BK are coplanar, then C is dash, right? So here we want to obtain the relation between C, A and B. Okay, so first of all here AI plus AJ plus CK, I plus K, CI plus CJ plus BK are coplanar. Therefore, we can say that their determinant is 0. Their determinant is 0. It means what? AAC 101 CCB is equal to 0. Now we just simplify, then we get our answer directly. If we want to simplify, then A minus C minus A, B minus C plus C into C is equal to 0. Therefore minus AC minus AB plus AC plus C square equal to 0. This AC are removed, therefore C square equal to AB. So we can say that C is geometric mean of A and B, right? So ABC are real numbers, not vectors. So therefore be careful for this type of sum, because this type of sums are very useful. And here which is vector and which is non-vector, you remember this thing very carefully. And this is 2005 JEE question. So this type of questions are also asked in your JEE question, right? So be careful for this type of sum. Now we go for the next.